So these are our ingredients. Of course, we got our russet baking potatoes, unsalted butter, parsley, dill, black pepper, salt, garlic powder, heavy whipping cream, mayonnaise, and fresh garlic. The first thing we are going to do, guys, is wrap our garlic in a piece of foil and put it to bake for 350 degrees. All right, so now we are peeling our potatoes. And while we're doing that, guys, and cutting it, don't forget to hit that like button for me, guys. Subscribe and hit that notification button that is going to let you know every time I upload a new video, which is every Friday and Sunday, except holiday weeks. So here I am seasoning my water with some garlic powder and salt. And we boil our potatoes. When they looking, this is just right now. I'm gonna remove them and drain them. Make sure you drain your potatoes as much as you can. Okay, we don't want that watery stuff on there. We're gonna have other ingredients. So here, guys, I just took my garlic out of the oven. It roasted in there, I would say about a good 25 minutes or so. And now I'm removing it. And look at this. Look. It's like butter, okay? Your garlic becomes like butter, but it's garlic. All right? I'm telling you, when you make this mashed potato, people going to be impressed. There ain't nothing fake about this mashed potato, guys. Nothing but good flavors and delicious. Woo! Man, this mashed potato were good. So here I am mashing my garlic. Look at how it's like butter, guys. It's just like nature butter right there. I removed a few of the pieces that were a little bit overdone. And the one that was, look at that. Look, it just spread like butter. Like butter. I'm telling you, love garlic, you are going to love this mashed potato. And when you roast your garlic, it's not as strong. Okay? So here I'm adding some black pepper. And I'm going to go ahead and start mashing just with the back of the spoon. Look, you don't even need no special utensils to mash it. I'm just using the back of this spoon. Okay? So now I am going to add about 4 tablespoons of butter. So I cook about 4 potatoes. So I would say about a tablespoon of potato. And I'm adding mayonnaise. Mayonnaise is going to give it that little snap to it. I'm telling you, you only give it a little bit, but it's gonna go a long way. Now I'm adding some heavy whipping cream. The reason I'm doing it in the bowl, I'm trying to show you, but usually I do all of this in a pot because we're gonna cook it just a little bit more. All right, so here I'm adding some more of the whipping cream. You add whipping cream until you get the texture that you want. All right, and here I'm adding some of that dill seasoning and also parsley seasoning. But as you can see, guys, every time you use seasoning without no salt, you could adjust it and give it as much as you want or take away. Just make the recipe yours. But when I tell you this recipe was super delicious, it was delicious. So here I'm testing it to see if I feel it needs a little bit more seasoning. So here I felt it needed just a little bit more salt. All right, like I always say, and a little bit more of mayonnaise. You taste it until you get it to the taste that please you. All right, it's no right and wrong here. Make the recipe your own, like I always say. So I'm gonna taste it again. And now we are going to take it over to the stove. So here at the stove, I melted about 2 tablespoons of butter on this pan. I have my fire on medium low. on medium low, guys. We are just gonna reheat it and cook it a little bit. So whatever other seasoning I added to it, like the whipping cream and also that extra salt that I added, it all combines in your mashed potatoes. But look how beautiful that is. And again, it's only, look at that. Look at that. People gonna think that that's not even like the real potato. Yes, it is. Yes, it is in this channel. Yes, it is. So here I'm gonna go ahead and just add just a little bit more of whipping cream. Again, you add or take away, make it the texture that you like. I wanted mine just a little thinner, just a little thinner than that. And that's why I added that whipping cream. But look at that. It's like silk, okay? It's like silk. And I'm telling you guys, this side dish potatoes, you could serve it with steak, with pork chop, man, name it, you could serve it. Look at your mashed potato. They are done at this point. All right? You see how easy we could make homemade mashed potatoes? You don't need those box stuff, okay? And it doesn't even take that long. I promise you, it doesn't. So here are our final product. Well, guys, thank you for stopping by. I appreciate you. Do not forget to subscribe. Hit that like button and the notification button. That's going to let you know every time I upload a new video. All right? Thank you very much for your support, and I will see you on the next recipe. Have a great day.